Probably can't get that anywhere else in Leesburg or Northern Virginia.
Not as good as these.
My God. Woo! Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again for another old-fashioned Friday. Today, we are in Leesburg, Virginia, in downtown Leesburg, right on the main street. And today we are at Tarbenders, also known as Bender's Bagels. I don't know which one it is. Bender's Bagels, Tarbender, it's both. So Tarbenders is a speakeasy spot, super cool vibes, kind of like dark lighting, just like loungy type of vibe. Really cool spot. And they also now have Bender's Bagels, which they have authentic New York bagels at, which I don't know if you can get those anywhere else in Leesburg. I don't know if you can get those anywhere else in Northern Virginia. The bagels themselves are boiled in New York, and then they're baked right here in Leesburg. You can also get coffee, breakfast sandwiches. They're open every day from 7 till 11, I believe. And then Tarbenders, I believe, which is the cocktail lounge part of this place, opens around 4 p.m. Let's jump right into it. You guys know how this works. 0 through 3 off appearance, 0 through 3 off first sip, 0 through 3 off overall taste, 0 through 1 over overall ambiance of the entire place. Just off appearance, they have a single cube, and it's the clear ice. Again, I've only seen this like 5 or 6 times throughout Northern Virginia where they have the clear ice. I like the glass. I like the little orange peel twist. If the glass was like just a little bigger, I would be like a massive fan, but I'm literally gonna go 295 because you can't get much more perfect than this. I mean, look at that, look at that, look at that. It's just clean, it's clean. All right, now we'll go into first sip. Whew. Super clean. super clean. Wow, that was really good. First sip, we're gonna go 2.8. The cleanliness is there. Everything about it's good. And then I'll get into the overall right now. While I sip on this with the overall, it's also important to note that Tarbenders now they have a Sushi Tuesday. Every Tuesday, they have like a sushi chef come in here, and he said it was jam-packed this past Tuesday. All kinds of great sushi plates. I haven't been yet. I definitely want to come back, experience it, try it out. They're also starting brunch on Sunday, March 7th. All kinds of breakfast foods, omelets, waffles, and a plethora of these kind of cocktails. See, this is what I'm trying to say. The clear ice. This drink has been sitting for like 2 minutes, by the way, which if it wasn't clear ice, I would have never done. But it's still like, I mean, it's not even close to being halfway melted. So that's why the single cube clear ice is kind of a game changer. It's just clean, man. I mean, it's great. I'm gonna go 2.8 overall taste, overall ambiance of Tarbenders / Bender's Bagels, full 1. Again, they have the breakfast side of things. When you come in the door, you have to go through like a phone booth. Again, speakeasy vibes, just to get into the bar area, which is really kind of cool. So what's that? 5.6 plus 2.95. So that would be a 8.55 plus full 1. 9.55. Tarbenders / Bender's Bagels. Authentic New York bagels. So if you're looking for a breakfast spot in Leesburg, coffee, bagels, breakfast sandwiches, highly recommend. This is the spot. I don't know any other place that has that plus cocktails like this. 9.55. Tarbenders / Bender's Bagels, Leesburg, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys. I said this place is called Tarbenders / Bender's Bagels. Is that correct? Or?
That works. It's
Okay.
Tarbenders Speakeasy. The bagels is just the front.
Okay, Tarbenders Speakeasy, and the bagels is the front, and then you come through the little the phone booth thing,
Yep.
and then that's it.
It's a functional front, so you know the bagels are amazing, straight from New York.
Told me that they boil them in New York,
Yes.
bake them in Leesburg.
That is correct.
Probably can't get that anywhere else in Leesburg or Northern Virginia.
Not as good as these.
My guy.
I just want to give a shout out. Thank you for all the local support. You know, it's been a tough time for small business,
sure.
but you know, we're pulling through. We're glad to be here, and we're going to be giving you exciting, good stuff.
No, I appreciate you guys, dude. Seriously,
Thank
man.
you. I appreciate it.
Sushi Tuesdays, Whiskey Wednesdays,
Brunch Sundays.
And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
I'll be cooking for you.
Yeah, come through and get a couple cocktails. Tarbenders Speakeasy / Bender's Bagels, Leesburg, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Appreciate you.
Thanks, Jay.